Hello, welcome back to the Insight Labs Looker Studio tutorials. I'm Erol and I help marketers make better decisions using data. We will continue replicating this dashboard in Looker Studio. Now we can replicate this Geo Chart. Let's do this. There are multiple Google Maps that you can add to your dashboards. A bubble map, field map, heat map, line map, and goes on. Now we will use Geo Chart. We can add it to our dashboard. By default, it will show the whole world. You see, the zoom area is the world. You can click on the zoom area and select the area that you want to see in details. In our case, we can focus on North America because Google sells in United States mostly. So what else we want to add here is country, region, and city. So we have country already. We will add a drill down functionality. We will remove continent, country, region. In United States, regions are states, but GA4 has this region dimension. All right, so that I wanted to see revenue by those states. That's I can do here. I can leave. Let's do revenue first. Total revenue. You can add optional metrics like average revenue per paying user. We had been discussing about this for a while now. Let's add it. What else? Maybe we can also add sessions. All right. And if you want to specifically focus on a country, then you need to use these filters. We have previously discussed about the filters. So let's say clicked on this add a filter section. And as you can see, I've added it here as well. US only, including the country only equals to United States. Let's do US only. Include country equal to United States. All right. So we added it. Now we can, use our dashboards, starting the drill down level set to region, so that we can see all the regions that made us, generate revenue. If you want, we can change this optional metrics and see that average revenue per paying user by states. New Hampshire is leading per person purchases, although California, for example, is leading in total revenue. We can check total sessions as well. For example, as we can see, Ohio sent a lot of traffic, or New York, but they hadn't contributed as much. New York did somewhat, but not Ohio. The last piece is to add the title. Let's call it states. What did I call it? Let's call it the same, revenue by states, okay? Revenue by states. All right. To align those things, you can select all of them and then make a right click and align vertically to top. To align these two, for example, you can select these two and align horizontally, center. Good. That's a nice thing. All right. If I want to filter the rest of our dashboard using those states, meaning that if I click on California, the rest of the dashboard will be filtered out, then I can turn on this cross filtering. Let's do it. You see, now that we are seeing the California visitors, their funnels, their acquisition channels, their total revenue, etc. Perfect. This video is over, and in the following video, we will learn about how to share our dashboards with our colleagues. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video. And if you want to learn more about Looker Studio, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you're a digital marketer who wants to improve your data-driven decision-making skills, consider subscribing my newsletter. You can find the link below. See you in the next video.